If you want to quickly gather opinions from your audience, a Facebook poll is one of the easiest tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a poll on Facebook in just a few simple steps, whether you're posting in a page or a group. It's a great way to boost engagement, ask questions, and let people vote without needing any complicated setup. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick how-to videos like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Facebook page or Facebook group where you want to create the poll. This is important because polls can only be created where you have permission to post. If you're managing a page, open that page from your account. If you're using a group, open the group discussion area where members can see and respond to your poll. Once you're in the right place, start creating a new post. You should see a post composer or create post box. In that post menu, look for the poll option and select it. Depending on the version of Facebook you're using, the poll button may be in a menu, under more options, or inside the post creation tools. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to explore the available post options. After selecting poll, the next step is to type in your question. Keep your question clear and simple so people know exactly what they're voting on. For example, you could ask something like, "What type of content would you like to see next?" Or, "Which product design do you prefer?" A good poll question is short, direct, and easy to answer. Now add your options. These are the answers people will choose from when they vote. Try to keep the options balanced and easy to compare. If you're asking about content ideas, your options might be tutorials, tips, reviews, or live videos. If you're asking for feedback on a product, your options could be different colors, styles, or features. The clearer your options are, the more useful your poll results will be. Before posting, review everything carefully. Check your question for spelling, make sure your options make sense, and confirm that the poll is being created in the correct page or group. This small check can save you from having to delete and recreate the poll later. When everything looks good, click Post. Facebook will publish your poll and people in your page or group will be able to start voting right away. As votes come in, you can monitor the responses and use the results to better understand what your audience wants. That's really all there is to it. Creating a poll on Facebook is fast, simple, and a great way to encourage engagement. Whether you're trying to learn more about your audience, make a decision, or just spark a conversation, polls can be incredibly useful. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.